Best phone camera. How to choose the right one for you. One of the most important things to look for when choosing a new smartphone is its camera. With the increasing availability of affordable smartphones with a nice camera has changed the life of millions. It's vital to choose a mobile with a good camera as it captures moments for sharing on social networks or sharing your artistry with your friends and family on social media. However, how do you know which phone has the best camera for your needs? Here are some tips to help you. Look at the specifications such as number of megapixels, sensor, aperture, focus range, and video resolution to determine whether the camera is worth buying or not. Those figures indicate how much light, magnification, and details the camera can capture. Nevertheless, there can be other issues affecting image qualities, so it's very important to look at other factors, such as how well this camera operates in various cases, such as low light or high contrast or fast motion. Another way to compare phone cameras is to look at the actual results they produce. You can use online tools that let you compare photos and videos taken by different phones in various scenarios. For example, you can use GSM Arena's Photo Compare tool to see how well different phones resolve details, handle noise, and reproduce colors. You can also use DxOMark's ranking to see how different phones score in terms of photo and video quality across various categories. You can also check out Kimoville's comparison to see real pictures of each phone taken in different situations. Ultimately, the best phone camera for you depends on your personal preferences and needs. You may prefer a phone that has a wide-angled lens for capturing landscapes, a telephoto lens for zooming in on distant subjects, or a macro lens for taking close-ups of small objects. You may also prefer a phone that has a good portrait mode for blurring the background, a night mode for enhancing low-light shots, or a pro mode for adjusting manual settings. You should also consider how much storage space and battery life you need for taking photos and videos.